Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can buy ETH on MoonPay. So the first thing that you will have to do is, of course, make sure that you've already logged into your account. And now that you're here, you will just have to look for the buy feature, which is on the bottom of your screen. So just go ahead and click that. And what you will have to do is you will look for ethereum, which is right here. So just go ahead and click that as well and wait for it to load. And what you will do is you will just have to enter the amount, and then after entering the amount, you will just have to click continue with Ethereum, and then you will choose your payment method, which is either debit card, Apple Pay, or bank transfer. And then after all that, you will just have to complete your identity verification if prompted, and of course confirm your payment and wait for ETH to appear in your Moon wallet. And yeah, MoonPay wallet. And yeah, that's basically just it. It's really that simple and easy, and I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.